Hello viewers, welcome to HT Creations. My name is Hemanand Reddy. Today in this video, we will see how to play this Steeplechase game in 13-in-1 board games. Now let us start. This is Steeplechase board game. This game can play 6 members because they give 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines, but which they gave these coins will not fit in one line, one coin. See, this is bigger coins, very large. That's why we will take 3 lines as one coin and another 3 lines as another coin. Means with these coins we can play 2 members. Now I will explain to play this game. For playing this game, for how many players should game take that much of coins? You are taking still small coins, then keep how much it will fit. Now for me, 3 lines, 1 coin means 2 players. Blue is player 1 and white is player 2. For playing this game, we have to take a dice. Now take the dice and roll the dice. Now when we rolled, it came 1. Now when we roll the dice, when it will come 1, then only we have to start the game. Now first player 1 rolled the dice and came 1. That's why player 1 can start the game. Now player 1 go to 1. Now again player 1's chance only, because when we roll the dice 1, 1, 5, 6, when we roll the dice it will come 1 or 5 or 6. When these numbers will come, we will get second chance. Means player 1 again, first 1 is there, that's why he can get again chance. Again player 1 gets 6. That's why again he can roll the dice. Now before 6 came now for player 1, that's why again he can again roll the dice. Now this is green color player 1 only. Now when player 1 come to here 1 horse is there. When we came to 5, directly we can go to 6. Means when I am here 2, 3, 4, 5, I get 4. That's why then I will come to 5. For me here horse is there. That's why here start and end. That's why one step I will go to front. See 5 to 6 I went. When we come to 5, we have to go one step forward. Now another one, see. Now for player 2 came to 14. Now here 14. Again horse is there and here between one wall is there, line. Now when player 2 come to this, he have to stop. 1 roll of dice. Means player 2 when coming here, he got to here. Again he will roll his dice. He will get 1. He have to leave this chance again, give to player 1. Because here 14 means here jumping means here wall is there. That's why when we come to here, player 2 chance means we have to leave this number and again give to player 1. Now when player 1 come to 15, here one horse is there, see. When come to here 15, he can jump to 17. Because here horse started and jumped to 17, that's why he can go to 17. But for player 2 here 14 means here wall is there, that's why you have to leave one chance. Now next one here. Now player 1 will get to 27. Here in 27 one horse is there. In 27 one horse is there. When player 1 go to in the 27, that's why player 1 have to leave one chance. Like here player 2 leaved one chance for getting to 14, no? Because of this wall. That's like that only here. For player 1 will get one wall, and for going to 27 and he have to leave one chance. Now when we come to 28 also we have to leave one chance. 29 means we can go directly. Here also same. When we come to 15 also we have to leave one chance. Again when we come to 16 we can go like that only. 27 means we have to leave one chance. 28 also we have to leave one chance. Now player 2 came to 28. For player 2 also here one horse is there. This horse jumped 28 to 29. That's why when player 2 came to 28, he can directly jump from 29. Now next one. When player 1 came to 42. In 42 also one horse is there. When player 1 came to 42, he fell in water. Because here horse also fall in water. That's why when fall in water means again we have to come to first. Means 42 will come to 42 means again we have to come to first. When we fall in 44 also water is there, no? When we fall in water, that's why again we have to come to first. Means when we get 42 and 44, we have to go to first. When we get 43, here 43 wall is there, then we have to leave one chance. Now player 2 go to, here for player 2 here horse is not there. Now when player 2 go to 44, he can jump directly to the 46. Because here one horse is there, jump to 46. That's why he can directly jump to 46. When he come to 43, he have to leave one chance. Now next one. Player 1. Here for player 1 also, here one horse is there. Now when we come to this side, we have to turn this board. Because this is reverse. Now it is okay. Now when player 1 will get to 53, here 53 also we have to leave one chance. For 54 not, for only when we get to 53 we have to leave one chance. Now next, here next horse. This is player 2's horse. Now when player 2 will get to 65, he have to leave one chance. Because here he is the horse, no? That's why I have to leave one chance. For when we get 66 also we have to leave one chance. Now when player 2 came to 65, have to leave one chance. 66 also have to leave one chance. Now 67 means directly he can continue the game. Now player 1. Again we have to turn this. Now next horse is here. This horse is for player 2 because the legs is on these 3 lines. This blue line is player 2's. When player 2 came to here, then again he have to leave one chance. Because here wall is there, no? That's why I have to leave one chance. When player 2 came to here, means 78 not, 79. Again he also have to leave one chance. Here also when player 2 come to 66, he have to leave one chance. Here also 79 means you have to leave one chance, player 1. Now 78 also play for player to 78 and 79. When he come to 78 and 79, he have to leave one chance. Now next horse. Again we have to turn this. Now for player 2 is the horse. The legs is here 94. When player 2 come to the 94, he can directly jump to the 95. Now here player 1. When player 1 come to the 95, here the leg starts and ends here 97. When player 1 came to the 95, he can directly jump to 97. Because starting here and ending point is here. That's why he can directly jump to the here. Now who will come first to the 100? He is only the winner. This is the way to play this game. Okay friends, keep smiling, stay happy. Bye.